Our next awardee, he's a national president, Integrated Bar of the Philippines. Our awardee for outstanding civic leader, Attorney Antonio C. Pido. Attorney Antonio C. Pido graduated from the University of the Philippines College of Law in 1982 and was a member of the Order of the Purple Feather Honor Society. He served as an executive labor arbiter of the NLRC from 1986 to 1991.
These Lady Justice Statuette and Certificate of Appreciation are given to our awardee in deep appreciation for the invaluable support and contribution made to the success of the Public Attorney's Office and the advancement of the interest of its clientele, given on the occasion of the 8th MCLE Accredited National Convention of Public Attorneys.
Let's hear a message from Attorney Antonio C. Pido.
Magandang hapon po, Madam Chief Presida of the Public Attorney's Office. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Tony Pido, taga Samar po ako. Member po ako ng Samar Chapter. Alam ko po na napakalaking tulong ang naibibigay ng Public Attorney's Office sa mga mahihirap. Ang Integrated Bar of the Philippines po ay bale supporting character lang po sa gawain ng Public Attorney's Office para tulungan ang mga mahihirap. In behalf po of the Integrated Bar of the Philippines, we commend the Public Attorney's Office under the leadership of Chief Persida Acosta at doon po sa pagiging supporting character ng IBP sa gawain ng Public Attorney's Office. Ikinagagalak ko pong ipaalam sa inyo na marami pong PAW lawyers ang opisyalis din po ng IBP chapters. Shout out ko po sa mga PAW lawyers. Nakita ko po sa Facebook si Nancy Bohol Bernardo, taga Samar po yan. Kababayan ko po, nakita ko rin si Sok Padua ng Pampanga. Nakita ko po si Miss Miss Esbra ng Cebu, nandito rin po yata siya. At marami pa pong mga IBP chapters na mga PAW ang mga opisyales. So, maraming salamat po ma'am at makakaasa po kayo na palaging susuporta po ang IBP sa gawain ng Public Attorney's Office. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you and congratulations, Attorney Antonio C. Pido.
Maraming salamat po, sir. Mabuhay po ang IBP. PAW lawyers are also members of the IBP. Mabuhay ang IBP!
Mabuhay!